How to add shapes behind shapes in Photoshop. Now I'm going to use the shapes as a pixel option, so that's the key thing. Obviously you can add shapes very quickly to a layer, shape layers, but first thing to do, go to Custom Shape tool, and then just go to the layers panel. You can see there one layer there, and with no layers, go to layer and new layer. Now this layer's got nothing on it at all, so it's completely blank layer, so you've got transparency. What I'm going to do is add a custom shape. I'm just going to use that in, one of the custom shapes I'm going to use is a Graphic Extras custom shape, abstract design. Just select Shapes tool and Pixel and use normal and just apply it there. So just drag there, oops, come on that. And then once I've actually done that, I'm going to change the shape. It's a whole range of different shapes. I could use the same shape as well, that's another option. Now if you actually just add it just then, just normal, it just goes on top. But what if you want to actually add it behind? We'll just go, again, Custom Shape tool, set that there, select a new one, and then go to set that to behind. You can see the behind, it's the third option down. Then just drag that and see what happens then. It just adds it behind. So if there's actually pixels on the layer, anything that's on there, you just will not, obviously you just won't add it above. But once you can actually add it below, you can see the actual design. I'm just going to select another custom shape, and again I'm going to just add another one there. So you've got the brown or black design, that is on top, and the orange obviously is below, and you can't see any of the orange actually, that's the brown is on there. So you can add that over and over again. Now actually I've got orange already on there, I've changed that down to green, and again I just quickly add that, and you can see now the green, some of the green comes through. Anything that's actually got pixels already added, that will not be changed, so you can't actually add it on top. So that's the key thing about the behind. Very quickly, and again if I go back to normal you can see the difference. Just adds it on top of the pixels. And again, go back to behind and you can just then continue add another shape, and again the pixels are added behind the current shapes. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.